Hey everybody, Matt here with Big Red Liquors, and I've got one of our great red hot deals that's going on right now. This is the historic Rose Island Vodka. The thing I love about this vodka is that if you're a big fan of Tito's, you're gonna love this, and it's only $14.99. This is distilled in Indiana from 100% corn recipe, 6 times distilled, hand bottled in Bloomington, and it's from a historical place that actually existed in southern Indiana right along the river in 1937. Biggest flood of the century, wiped out this whole amusement park. It was under 20 feet of water, but the remains of that park are still there today. And it's sort of this beautiful, eerie place that's really a part of Indiana history, and it's a really cool place to visit. But that's the namesake of this vodka. But this vodka is just a fantastic deal. It's got that sort of slight kind of hint of vanilla sweetness, but it's really clean, really smooth, 80 proof, tastes fantastic in a Bloody Mary, tastes fantastic over ice just by itself, but great to mix with anything as well. That's Rose Island Vodka, one of the best vodka deals we have in the store, $14.99. Cheers.